Hello friend, welcome back to my humble YouTube channel. Here you can see with me my brand new Canon VIXIA HF R80. It's fully charged. It was charged overnight. It took approximately 8 hours to be fully charged, which was very interesting. I can't wait to start using it. And in this video you can see with me how to do the basic setup. And that's the procedure when you very first time put on this camcorder. Now how you put it on? You can try to push the button for power, or you just simply open it and it will power on. It's pretty amazing. You can perfectly see with me here what happened when I opened that touch screen or that LCD panel, right? I have the option of selecting the language, so obviously English will be selected in this case. And what do? You use that touch screen and push this button, and again you can see the options. I will go with typical American, right? It's a month and day and year. I push yes, so I will be selecting the months. We have a May, then you push that, right? Today it's 10th. Now about the time, I prefer 24-hour time, so that will be actually 15:14 right now. 15 as a 3 p.m. right? 15, 14, and I'm assuming when I put it correctly, I just pushed OK. Oop. It's all set. Continue with this. Now recording media for movies. I can choose the built-in memory which is in it, right? Or I can choose the SD card. I can see nicely that with the built-in memory, the recording remaining time it's 2 hours, but for my convenience I will choose the SD card. Let's see if it will take it, because I didn't put any card in it. Okay, the remaining time it's unknown, right? Because it doesn't know which card is in it. Recording media for photos. Again, you can actually choose. This is fantastic. You can do your pictures, photographs, for example, to the built-in memory or vice versa, right? Which is fantastic. Actually like that not all of it is on the same card. This is really convenient. So let's say I will use the built-in memory for the pictures, for the photos. Setup is complete. Boom. Okay. It nicely shows what's happening, right? And obviously it says check for the lens cover. The lens cover is still closed. Let's open it. It's on the side here. Oh, this is amazing. I love it. And I'm ready to start using. Now I have to go and get that memory card. And anytime you use the memory card, it's really advisable when you insert it in the camera to complete the initialization, right? So it can correctly work. I don't know if it will prompt me, but it's definitely really important to do that. I have that new card. Not sure if I have to switch off this camcorder or not. I never did that, but let's try. If this is inserting correctly. Nicely clicked. You saw the red light, hopefully, right? Not sure if it's sharp. And I need to close that door, which is this way. Excellent. The camera is ready for recording. Now, just to give you any idea, to you and myself, right? This is being recorded with the very high quality DSLR. It's a Canon 80D, right? And the lens is super amazing 18 to 55 IS STM lens, right? It has that quiet stepping motor in it. I will place this Canon VIXIA in exactly the same position, and we will be able to compare the sound, to compare field of view and the picture quality with it. And I will do it right now for this very little comparison. So let's do it. And as I promised you, my friend, this is the exactly same spot on this tripod. This is the exactly same situation. I'm standing in the same spot, and you can see the quality of the picture. Both cameras were running in the full auto, right? That's a standard sound setting on this Canon VIXIA. So my friend, I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure you will subscribe, because I will have ton of videos about that little miracle coming to you later. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.